Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing on using the WetnWild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Today I did like a red peach kind of orangey look. This is look number 11. Look number 11 using the same palette. So all the others will be linked in a playlist and stuff. I'm using the WetnWild eyeshadow primer and the Hourglass powder to under the eye to catch fallout. And once I have that done, in the first row I'm taking the 6th eyeshadow. It's just a peachy shade. I'm taking that on a fluffy crease brush, tapping off any excess, and I'm applying that in my crease. I am going to build this up a little bit. And do a few passes over this eyeshadow in the crease. That way it can build it up really nice. I'm going to keep going over that, building that up and blending it out into the crease area. And this shade is pigmented, but I still want to build it up. So in the first row, 7th eyeshadow, another peachy kind of shade, and I'm going to take that on the side of the fluffy crease brush that I used, kind of placing that in my outer corner there, and I'm going to blend these two together as I go. And because they are similar, and not only in warmth but in color family, close in color family, they're going to blend out seamlessly into one another. And I'm going to work on further blending this as well. And these shades in this palette just blend so nicely. All of them are so nice and creamy. And in the first row, the 5th eyeshadow is this shimmery red kind of shade. And it's this pretty shimmery red. I'm going to use this Hard Candy Hydrating Mist Setting Spray to foil that eyeshadow. These eyeshadows can be used wet or dry. I'm using a flat shader brush. And I'm going to kind of like paint that on my lid. And then I'm going to do a little bit of blending. And I am going to place quite a bit of this on the lid. And then I always go back with a little bit of the eyeshadow dry on my brush and pat it over top of that as well. And I'm just going to continue on working in the crease in the outer corner, blending all these shades together. And I'm just going to continue on blending. And then I'm going to use the 2nd shade in the first row, and it's just the nice vanilla kind of shade. And I'm using that on the brow bone area. It's my brow highlight, and I'm going to blend the crease down. It did get a bit high and out of control there, so we're going to fix that now. And I'm going to always take my blending brush that I use the crease color on with no additional color and blend. I'm wiping away all the fallout under the eye, and I'm going to use the first shade we used in the crease on my lower lash line. Once that's done, I'm going to be taking the LaColors gel eyeliner in Rose Gold to my waterline. It's just a pretty rose gold shimmery shade and of eyeliner, and then I'm going to use the Believe Beauty Long Lasting eyeliner in Caviar to tighten with, and the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in my inner corner. Now once that's done, I was showing that I was cleaning off the tip of that white pencil. I'm using the LaColors highlighting trio in a Wild Child. I'm using the peachy shade or orange shade in there, and I'm applying that in the inner corner. And I'm using the LaColors Biggie Lash Mascara, a couple coats of that. And I think this is fairly easy put together kind of look, especially for summer. And from Rimmel Kate Lipstick, I'm using number 45. And I think it's funny to do the diamond cutter if you didn't know what that was. And DDP, WWE, WWF, WCW at one point. Anyways, so this is the finished look. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. We'll try the look out for yourself. Maybe put a new spin on it for yourself. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box out, as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the WetnWild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette.